cause I'm feeling your way. So pass up on it, family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up, me on surely. Baby, you know it's okay.
Guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is super exciting. It is all about a company that I absolutely have grown to love. I've done several reviews for this company and their hair is really, really amazing. It's one of these wigs and these companies that literally the hair is ready to go straight out the box. And I'm a sucker for that because I love to press the easy button. So if you guys want to learn more about this unit that I have for you guys, then definitely keep on watching. All right, you guys, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from your girl, because I got a lot of good stuff coming out on the channel. The company that I'm talking about today is Victoriaswig, and if you like the unit that I'm rocking right now, this one is from Victoriaswig as well. This unit is absolutely gorgeous and I do have a review on my channel, so I'll go ahead and link it up here or I'll link it in the bar down below so you can definitely check out the review on this one. I have several other, actually I may just make like a little playlist. So if you want to see all the wigs that I review from Victoriaswig, you can literally just go through and click on the playlist. Is Victoriaswig. It comes in this nice sturdy box. I love Victoriaswig boxes because they're deep. First of all, they're deep. I love that. And they're super sturdy, so you can keep your wig in the box with no problem. Here is the wig. Let me show you guys the contents of the box. So if you don't like to keep your wig in the box, you can also keep your wig in the duster bag, or you can put it in the duster and then put it into the box as well. You're gonna also get a package of goodies that's gonna help you slay your wigs. Inside the package, you're going to receive several items. The items you're going to receive are a tweezer, a spatula for your gel or your glue, a brush for your when you're blending your concealer powder. You're gonna get a edge scarf. You're going to get a nice little rat tail comb to help you lay down your lace front. And oh, I got two of these. I don't think I was supposed to get two of those, but you get one of those. I just randomly got two. What I love about Victoriaswig is they think of everybody. They give you a brown stocking cap and a tan stocking cap option. This is amazing. Not very many companies recognize that we're all different shades. They literally always give you the light color one. Not everyone is this complexion. So shout out to Victoriaswig for recognizing that. All right, let's jump into the wig that I have. Looks like I have a pretty little straight bob. This unit, all Victoria's units, are going to come with the pre-bleached knots and the pre-plucked hairline. I love the knots being pre-bleached and the hairline being pre-plucked. Like, I cannot say enough how much I love that. It's huge. Also, the fact that the lace is their invisible HD lace. Their lace is super thin, super transparent. It's HD and it's just bomb. I mean, you can see how the wig literally just slays fresh out the box. This is me taking the wig out the box and placing it on my head. It's just amazing. So I'm excited to go ahead and give this unit a try. I'm going to cut the lace off. I'm going to go ahead and spray it with a little bit of lace tint spray so that it matches my skin tone and I don't have to use foundation. What else am I gonna do? I'm going to use my Got To Be gel and I'm going to use hairspray to lay it down. And then I'm gonna come back and tell you guys my thoughts on this wig. So stay tuned. So I added the gel and I also added the hairspray. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put the wig on. So I didn't really measure the wig before I put the gel. Wow. This looks freaking good. I didn't really measure the wig before I put the gel and hairspray on. So honestly, I'm just kind of going with whatever happens here. Because I really did not measure the wig, to be honest. And I probably should have, but I'm so trusting when it comes to Victoria's wigs because their wigs are just so bomb. I never really have to do a lot. And I kind of just go with the flow with these wigs. Look at this hairline. What? Look at the hairline. This is what I'm saying, you guys. Just do not understand how like freaking bomb Victoria's Wigs is. Like, look at this hairline though. Like, what? And I didn't have to bleach it. I didn't have to bleach the knots. And I didn't have to pluck the hairline. Like, what? So I'm gonna cut the ear tabs away later, but I want to show you guys the hairspray that I used, because I feel like that definitely has something to do with, was I out of the frame this whole time? I really hope I wasn't out of the frame this whole time. But the hairspray that I used was sent to me in PR. It's Pai Shu. And this stuff is amazing. I've also been using the mousse foam to slick down my wigs. Both of these are amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna spray a little bit more just to secure the wig a little more, especially in the areas that I didn't necessarily that aren't necessarily laid down, because I really didn't do a great job of lining up the gel and the hairspray and all of that. So now that it's laid down and I added a little more hairspray, I'm gonna literally just put this scarf on. And I'm gonna go up underneath these clips with the scarf. And I'm literally just gonna tie it. Okay, so I left this on for about 10 minutes or so. So I think that looks pretty freaking good, you guys. For a wig that I did not have to, for a wig that I did not have to bleach the knots, I did not have to pluck anything. I didn't bleach anything and I didn't pluck anything. Like, this looks friggin' amazing. And I'm super happy. Like, literally, it looks like it's coming out of my scalp. All I have to do is just cut away the ear tabs. It looks really, really good. I love how this hairspray like literally melted into my skin. Like, this hairspray literally just melted into my skin. Like, this is the perfect combination of products. This hairspray, the wig extensions, lace tint spray in golden, and the Got To Be gel, like these, holy grail combination. Holy grail combination, serious. All right, so I just added a little powder right here. I'm going to add a little bit more around the hairline. I need to try to find a clean brush. I think this one is clean. I like using a fluffier brush nowadays around the hairline. I used to use like a very thin, narrow, concentrated brush, but I just use that for the hairline now. I don't use it, I mean for the parting space now. I don't use it for the hairline. And now I also use 2 different colors around my hairline now. I use a orangey brownish shade, and then I switch to a tannish beige shade. So I blend the 2, and it tends to do well. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished product for this wig. It is absolutely stunning. I love the lace on this wig. I love the fact that this wig is just so ready to go out of the box. Like, I want every single wig I get from them from now on to have this exact hairline. Like, look at flawless, like flawless. I love it. No baby hairs, no nothing. Like, banging. I love this hairline. You guys, if you have not checked out Victoriaswigs, I don't know what you're waiting for. Like, you are asleep. Wake up, snap out of it, give them a try, because I promise you the quality is there. The ease of styling is there. They give you all the tools you need to be successful at laying down the wig, and you really don't need that much. You don't have to do much, and it just looks good. So you guys, yeah, give it a try, please. Like, just do it for me. Do it for the gram, okay? Do it for the vine. All right, you guys, if you like this jewelry, it is available on my website. Definitely check down below in the information box. I have a link directly to jessthedragoness.com, which is my website where you can purchase this jewelry. I have so many bomb pieces. If you guys like this makeup look, I do have a tutorial out. I will link that as well. This is a Fenty face. Yes, Rihanna is slaying my life. I finally tried Fenty for the first time. Maybe about a month ago. I got a whole bunch of stuff as a Christmas gift. So yeah, I'm just loving this stuff, and I'm loving this wig, and I'm loving this jewelry. Like, everything is coming together. Yes. All right, you guys, before I get out of here, you know what you need to do. You need to share this video. Share it with a friend. Share it with a wig lover. Share this video with your mama, okay? Share this video with your mother. You know this is an auntie wig. This is a mommy wig. You know she'll love it. So make sure you hit that subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload from your girl, because I got a lot of banging content coming your way. All right, you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.